Hey guys, it's Morgan here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another banger video for you guys. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do the Aztec healing clay mask on your hair and on your face. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on my little post notification bell so you don't miss any more of my lit upcoming videos. Now let's get right into this video. So in order to make this mask, you're just going to need some water, the clay, vinegar, and honey. And you're going to want to use all plastic and or ceramic utensils because you don't want to use metal because it can interfere with the benefits of the Aztec clay. And I am using white vinegar instead of apple cider vinegar just because I didn't have any apple cider vinegar, and I looked it up and it said that you can use regular vinegar as long as you dilute it with water. So that's why you're going to also use the water as well. So I decided to also add honey into my mixture as well, just so that I could get a little bit of extra shine and extra moisture for my hair and my face. So I definitely recommend using honey as well for this hair mask. So once you have added everything into your bowl, you're just going to want to mix it all together and make sure that you get out any of the extra clumps or anything like that. So yeah, here I am. I'm just adding a little bit more water as needed and just making sure that I'm mixing it up and making sure that it is a nice consistent paste. So here's how the mixture was starting to look. As you can see, it was a little bit soupy. So I decided to go on ahead and add a little bit more of the Aztec clay into it so that it could become a little bit thicker. You want it to be the consistency of like yogurt. So as you guys can see here, this is the right consistency. So yeah, now I am ready to start applying the hair mask into my hair. So I'm just going in with little sections and I am just applying the clay mask all over my hair, making sure to cover every strand so that this way every strand can get the benefits of the healing clay. And I did decide to apply the clay to my hair while it was still damp. I had just gotten out of the shower and just wet my hair and detangled it, just so that it could be a little bit easier for me to apply the clay, just because it's super hard to work with my hair when it's super dry, and that's usually when I get the most breakage. So to avoid my hair from breaking, I just wetted and detangled it in the shower and started applying the clay to it. Also, my hair is not freshly washed. You do not need to wash your hair before using the clay because the clay can actually cleanse your hair. So you do not need to wash your hair, and I also don't recommend washing your hair before you do it as well, just because the clay is kind of strong, and so you don't want to strip your hair completely of all of its oils and everything like that. So I definitely recommend applying the clay on kind of dirty hair, and you can also use this clay as a substitute for using regular shampoo as well. So I ended up needing to make a little bit more clay just because it just wasn't enough to coat my entire head. So yeah, it was only enough for about half of my head. So I just ended up going and making some more of it so that I could do the other side of my hair, and then also so that I could have a little bit left over so that I could apply it onto my face. So it didn't really take me that long to apply the clay to my entire head. It probably took like less than probably 10 or 15 minutes. But now I'm just going in and applying the last bit of the clay all over my face, just because you can also use this on your skin as well. And it's super good for your skin. It's a great facial kind of just like a great facial mask. And yeah, it's supposed to help with cleansing your pores, tightening your face, removing any hyperpigmentation, dark spots, all of that good stuff. So yeah, I definitely recommend, you know, applying this to your hair and your face because it has great benefits for both of them. So I did have a little bit left over, so I just decided to apply a little bit more all over the rest of my head. And once you are done applying it, you're just gonna want to wait for 30 minutes and then let the clay harden and whatnot. So as you can see here, the clay has hardened on my face, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes on my hair and face. And so I'm just gonna go rinse it out, and then I'll be right back to show you guys how it looks. So here is the final result. My curls felt super duper duper soft. Like, I don't think I've ever felt my hair like this soft before ever. Even when I was just in the shower and just like rinsing the clay off, like my hair, it felt like so soft, and my skin, it just felt super cleansed and just I don't know, it just felt super smooth, and just like my face was just deep cleaned or something. But yeah, my hair, I love how it turned out. I decided to just style it, so I just did a regular wash and go with some leave-in conditioner and then some eco styling gel, and then I just used my Denman brush to detangle it. And yeah, here's the finished result. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. It is Vlogmas. I am posting lit content for 25 days straight of December, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any more of my videos. I'm just here so that my video can be 8 minutes long so that I can add ads to it. Thanks guys for watching this video. Bye.